shuffle dance, All I Am. 32 counts, 1 restart, and I'll go over that in just a minute. So we start going forward, yay, with our right foot, doing 2 walks. So we right, left, right, triple step, rock, recover, and a quarter triple step to the left. Then we cross point left, cross point right, and a turning jazz box over your right shoulder to the front wall. So a quarter turning jazz box, right, cross your left foot. Then we rock, recover, cross and cross. So right, rock, recover, and cross and cross. Now we're going to turn over our right shoulder a half a turn with 2 steps. So left, right, now a left cross and cross, or crossing shuffle. Cross and cross. Good. Then we do 4 sways. So you pick up your right foot and put it out and sway. Right, left, left. Important to end with your weight on left because you're going to do a sailor step with the right foot. Sailor step. Now we're going to do a quarter turning sailor step with our left foot. Sailor step. That's it. Walk, walk, triple step, rock, recover, quarter triple step. First 8. Second 8 is step, point, turning jazz box with a cross. Third 8, cross, recover, and a crossing shuffle. Half turn, left, right, left crossing shuffle. Sway, 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 sway. Sailor step and a sailor step. Okay, words up to speed. A little bit faster. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, triple step, rock, turn, triple step, cross, point, turning jazz box with a cross, rock, recover, and cross, turn left, right, left cross and cross, sway, 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 sailor step, and a turning sailor step. Okay, with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Yes! One more time up to speed with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Is 1 restart on wall 5. That's your home wall. After 16 counts, you restart. So let's go through that. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. Walk, walk, triple step. So clarification, or to make it a little bit easier for your feet, after you do the jazz box turn, during the dance, we cross it. But then you have to walk forward. So it's a little bit easier to do the jazz box. 1, 2, 3. Just put your left foot right next to your right foot so your right foot's ready to walk forward, and it doesn't have to trip over your left foot to walk forward. So that's a clarification on the restart. Wall 5, after 16 counts, the 16th count, you do your left foot just a little bit different. At the end of the jazz box, instead of crossing, you put it next to it. And clarification on the turn. So after we do our crossing shuffle, we're going to do a half turn over our right shoulder with 2 steps. Or you could say quarter left, quarter right. Both are correct. Half turn with 2 steps or a quarter left and a quarter right. Have fun.